Ողջույն բոլորին. Hello everyone, yes Shushin, I'm Hayasa. I'm Shushi from Hayasa. In today's video, we're going to spice things up a little and learn some useful expressions that will help you to have short conversations in Armenian. Before we get started, you can go back to my channel, watch the video about the greetings, learn how to greet in Armenian, and then come back to this video. I'm sure you will find it helpful. Now let's get started. In order to introduce yourself, you can go ahead and say, yes, Shushinem. I am Shushi. Remember to put this small ne right after your name. Yes, Shushinem. So even if my name is Shushi, I say Shushin because we say the, and then the name. We use articles with names. Yes, Shushinem. Another way to tell your name will be Im anune, my name is Shushi. Im anune Shushi. So we have two ways to tell your name. Yes, Shushinem, I am Shushi. I mean, it will be your name, not my name. And then Im anune Shushi. My name is Shushi. To ask someone their name, you can go ahead and say Ko anune, your name. Ko anune inche. So what is your name? Ko anune inche. Now you know how to ask someone their name and you know how to tell your name. I'll teach you how to ask how a person is doing and how to answer the exact question. So, inch peses or vonces will be how are you? Inch peses, the answer will be lavem, lavem. Love means good, lavem, or vatem, bad. Lavem, vatem. The question, inch peses or vonces, and then you answer lavem. Let's have a short talk. Let's have a short conversation. Imagine you are in Armenia, you are having your first conversation in Armenian. So, Barev, ko anune inche? What is your name? Barev, yes Shushinam. Then the person asks you, inch peses? Shat lavem. Very well. Shat lavem. Du inch peses. How are you? And the person answers, lavem. Alright, let's summarize whatever we have learned so far. Imagine my name is Mark. So, my name is Mark will be Im anune Marke. I am Mark will be yes Marknem. Ko anune inche will be what is your name? How are you will be inch peses or fonces. I'm doing well will be yes lavem. I'm doing bad will be yes vatem. That was it for today. If you are looking for an Armenian teacher, you can find my contact information below and we can schedule your first one-on-one lesson very soon. Thank you very much for watching this video. It was Shushi from Hayasa. See you soon. Hաջողություն.